Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot. Hey, people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets one account, day 34, I believe. All right, guys, that's how we're working. The reason why I want to use only one account, the reason I've been using one account, is kind of I want to try to emulate what somebody who is just starting would make. You know what I mean? So that's why I'm only using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets here. All right, guys. So, all right, these are my results I'm showing right now. But first, before I go into that, let's talk about why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one business real quick. The first off, the product's amazing. I think the funnel builder, the main product's the funnel builder. You get other things too, like email writings and stuff like that. But the funnel builder is the big product of the $25 business, and the funnel builder is extremely clean. It's one of the best I ever worked with. I've tried a lot of funnel builders. Trust me when I say this. It's one of the easiest ones to work with. Period. I think it's among the best, definitely. And I think the biggest funnel builder right now, I think, is ClickFunnels, which is $97 per month. This is only $25 per month, as you can say. And the $97 per month don't include everything. Like, there's so many limitations on what you can do, certain amount of pages, stuff like that. A bunch of little stuff that kind of buggers you down a bit. You don't have no limitations when you use the $25 one business in any way, shape, or form. You just got the funnel builder and you can do whatever you want. As far as like pages and stuff, you can make like a 20-page funnel if you want to, no problem, and just keep going on and on. But anyway, guys, that's one thing. That's one reason why I like promoting it. The second reason why I like promoting it, though, and I think the reason why people are most interested in promoting it, is because it's the best affiliate system I have ever found. Period. I'm saying period. It's 80% recurring commissions. This is higher than anything. I don't even know how they do this, because I guess they get enough people in the system. Maybe they can make some money, but it's 80% recurring commission. That's like OnlyFans money, guys. Like, it's really high. That's the highest I've ever seen. And I think you guys promote this. All you need is a couple of people in the system, and you making a very large profit. You could pay at least one or two bills. You know what I mean? And it pays every month. Every single month they pay every single month. Once you get a person in there, they paying every single month. That's the big one that I just gotta keep alliterating. You know what I mean? Okay, anyway, guys, let's keep it moving here. Let's see. We are looking at my results. It looks like I didn't get nothing yesterday. Let's make sure here. Okay, guys, I did not get nothing yesterday, which is totally fine. Sometimes it's like that, you know, simple as that. So anyway, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna, before I continue, I want to make sure I alliterate. Do not believe anybody's results if they don't refresh them. If they do not refresh the page like I just did there, don't believe the results. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos where they show like a still frame or some really crazy results doing this method. Don't believe those. Only believe it if they refresh the page. That's when you say, okay, maybe this guy's legitimate. Other than that, don't believe it. All right, because you can change all these numbers around. The most popular way I've seen them doing this is on ClickBank. ClickBank, they'll say making thousands of dollars a day. ClickBank, and have the bars real high and stuff, but they won't refresh it so you can see exactly what they made. And yeah, man, that means it's not legit. So you gotta be careful with stuff like that. Make sure they refresh the page. That's all I'm trying to say. All right, let's move on here. All right, we're gonna go to the mailing system. We're gonna pick which one we want to pick today. I haven't done this one in a while. All right, I'm gonna send this one. the Create Unlimited Income one, I don't sent it a couple of times, guys. If you want to copy it, you could copy it very easily. Boom, boom, boom. Create Unlimited Income online for life. Very simple, and the email is just this short, guys. That's all it takes. You don't need a picture. You could just put your name. Let me type my name real quick. Type my name, bold it, italicize it, boom. I just wanted to do that. Alright guys, that's all there is to it. You can just copy this here. Very simple. You can pause it and copy the whole thing real quick if you want to send it like that, guys. It don't matter. It's very easy to write these emails. I'll do it next time. Next time I just write an email for you guys. I do that tomorrow. For day 35, that's what I do. Write an email on camera for you guys. Alright guys. That's all there is. Make sure you hit perfect timing as well. What perfect timing does is send an email around the time that people check their emails. It's very efficient, and yeah, you can make money. You can make some money doing that as well. And also make sure your link is working. Make sure the link works, guys. It takes you to the page there like that. Yeah, make sure your link works. And that's about it, guys. I think all the links are in the description below. You just follow the links if you want to follow what I'm doing here. You just click on the link, sign in, do your stuff. It tell you exactly what to do, and you know you can do the same as that thing. It shows you exactly how to do everything. There's a video showing you step by step how to do absolutely everything. Once you sign in or click in or whatever, they'll teach you everything you need to know. And what I'm showing you here is basically what you need, all you really need to know, to be honest, in these videos here. Once you learn, I'm showing you how I'm doing it, right? Once you learn how to do that. By the way, guys, you want to get your link before I forget, you want to get your link from this one. You could try N1, but I use this all-in-one $25 business. I think this is the most efficient one. But you can try anyone. They don't add some new ones too as well. They don't add some new ones you may want to give a shot at. The Freedom Shortcut, stuff like that. Yeah. So yeah, think about that as well. Or you can just do the all-in-one direct join link. You know, you don't gotta. Yeah. All right, guys. That's about all there is to it, to be honest with you. All the links are in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.